Welcome back to Wild Facts. Today we're journeying into the heart of the world's largest rainforest, the Amazon. Did you know the Amazon is so vast and dense that there are still tribes that have never had contact with the outside world? But it's not just people who hide in its shadows. It's also home to some of the most unique and diverse animal species on the planet. From the stealthy jaguars to the vibrant macaws, let's explore the top 10 animals that call the Amazon their home. Number 10. Amazon pink river dolphin. Starting our countdown at number 10, it's the Amazon pink river dolphin. The Amazon pink river dolphin, also known as the bato, is one of the most intriguing and mystical creatures found in the Amazon River. Here are some captivating facts about this unique species. The Amazon pink river dolphin is famous for its striking pink coloration, which can vary from pale pink to a bright, vivid pink. The color can change as they age or even due to increased blood flow when they are excited. Unlike oceanic dolphins, botos have unfused neck vertebrae, allowing them to turn their heads 180 degrees. This flexibility is crucial for maneuvering through the flooded forests and avoiding obstacles in the murky waters of the Amazon. They are the largest species of river dolphins, with adults often reaching lengths of up to 2.5 meters, 8 feet, and sometimes weighing as much as 185 kilograms, 408 pounds. These dolphins are opportunistic feeders preying on a variety of fish, crabs, and even small turtles. They use echolocation to find their prey in the turbid river waters, emitting sounds that bounce off objects and return to them as echoes. Pink river dolphins are generally solitary creatures but can be seen in small groups when feeding. They are not as social as their marine cousins but have been known to interact playfully with humans. The reproductive habits of the pink river dolphin are not well understood, but it is known that they can breed year-round. The gestation period is about 11 months, after which a single calf is born. These dolphins face several threats, including habitat destruction due to deforestation, pollution from mining and industrial activities, and accidental entanglement in fishing gear. They are also hunted in some areas for their meat and oil. In local folklore, the Amazon pink river dolphin is often featured in myths and legends. It is sometimes said to have the ability to transform into a handsome man to seduce women from the local communities. In local folklore, the Amazon pink river dolphin is often featured in myths and legends. It is sometimes said to have the ability to transform into a handsome man to seduce women from the local communities. The Amazon pink river dolphin is not only a fascinating animal due to its unique adaptations and behavior, but also a vital part of the aquatic ecosystem of the Amazon River, contributing to the biodiversity that makes this habitat one of the most vital on Earth. Number 9. Poison dart frog. Poison dart frogs, known for their brightly colored skin and potent toxins, are among the most fascinating and visually striking creatures in the rainforests of Central and South America. Here are some interesting facts about these small yet remarkable amphibians. Poison dart frogs display an incredible range of colors, including yellow, gold, copper, red, green, blue, or black. These vibrant colors serve as a warning to potential predators about the toxicity of the frogs. These frogs are famous for their lethal skin toxins. The chemicals in their skin can deter predators and are potent enough to be lethal. The most toxic species, the golden poison dart frog, carries enough venom to kill 10 grown men. Despite their dangerous reputation, poison dart frogs are quite small, typically measuring from 1 to 6 centimeters in length, depending on the species. Interestingly, the toxic nature of these frogs is derived from their diet in the wild, which includes ants, beetles, flies, mites, spiders, and termites. The toxins are not produced by the frogs themselves, but are obtained from what they eat. In captivity, without this diet, they do not develop toxicity. They are primarily found in humid tropical environments of Central and South America. Their habitats include rainforests, marshlands, and swamps. Female poison dart frogs lay a small number of eggs, usually under 20 on land. Once the eggs hatch, one of the parents, often the male, carries the tadpoles on their back to a nearby body of water where they will continue to grow and develop. Poison dart frogs exhibit a remarkable level of parental care, which is somewhat unusual among amphibians. Some species create individual nurseries for each tadpole, placing them in separate pools of water, like the water collected in bromeliads, to avoid cannibalism. Many species of poison dart frogs are threatened by habitat destruction, pollution, climate change, and the pet trade. Conservation efforts are critical to preserving their habitats and populations. Indigenous peoples have used the toxins from these frogs for centuries to coat the tips of blow darts and arrows for hunting, which is where the name poison dart frog originates. There are over 100 different species of poison dart frogs, each with its unique color pattern and level of toxicity. This diversity is a stunning example of evolutionary adaptation and specialization. Poison dart frogs are a compelling example of the beauty and complexity of nature, illustrating not only the wonder of evolutionary adaptation, but also the delicate balance of ecosystems that can be disrupted by human activity. Number 8. Harpy Eagle. The harpy eagle is one of the most powerful birds of prey in the world, reigning as a top predator in the rainforest canopies of Central and South America. Here are some fascinating facts about this majestic raptor. Harpy eagles are among the largest species of eagles. They can weigh up to 9 kilograms, 20 pounds, and have a wingspan of up to 2 meters, over 6 feet. Females are typically larger than males, a common trait in birds of prey. These eagles are known for their striking appearance, which includes long, broad wings and a distinctive double crest on their head that they can raise when threatened or excited. Their powerful talons can grow up to 5 inches long, larger than a grizzly bear's claws. Harpy eagles are apex predators, primarily feeding on medium-sized mammals such as monkeys, sloths, and tree-dwelling rodents. They use their incredible strength to snatch prey from tree branches, often killing it instantly with their powerful talons. They inhabit tropical lowland rainforests from Mexico to Argentina and Brazil, preferring vast tracts of undisturbed forest where they can hunt. They are mostly found in the upper canopy layer of the forest. Harpy eagles are known to mate for life. They build large nests, often about 1.2 meters, 4 feet in diameter, in the tall trees of the rainforest. A pair usually raises only one chick every 2 to 3 years, investing a lot of time in each offspring. The young eagles are dependent on their parents for up to 2 years. The harpy eagle is classified as near threatened. Their populations are declining due to habitat loss from deforestation and human encroachment into their natural habitats. Hunting and trapping also pose significant threats. As top predators, harpy eagles play a crucial role in their environment by helping to control populations of other animals and maintain the ecological balance. The harpy eagle is the national bird of Panama and is featured on the Panamanian coat of arms. It holds significant cultural value in many of the indigenous cultures where it lives. Several conservation programs and zoos around the world have established breeding programs to help conserve this magnificent bird. These programs also aim to educate the public about the importance of preserving the harpy eagle and its habitat. The harpy eagle's slow rate of reproduction, raising a single chick every 2 to 3 years, makes it particularly vulnerable to population declines, highlighting the importance of conservation efforts to ensure their survival. The harpy eagle is not only a symbol of the wild and untamed beauty of the rainforest, but also a critical part of the ecosystem that needs continued protection and conservation efforts to thrive in its natural habitat. Number 7. Amazonian giant otter. Coming in at number 7, the Amazonian giant otter. This sociable creature is the longest member of the weasel family and is quite the sight as it moves fluidly through the water. Here are some interesting facts about these unique aquatic mammals. The Amazonian giant otter is the world's largest otter species. It can grow up to 1.7 to 2 meters, 5.5 to 6.6 feet, long and weigh up to 32 kilograms, 70 pounds. Their size makes them the top aquatic predator in their environment. Giant otters are extremely social and live in family groups of up to 20 individuals. These groups are highly cooperative, helping each other in activities like hunting and raising young. They communicate through a variety of vocalizations, each serving different purposes such as coordination during hunting or expressing alarm. They primarily feed on fish, including piranhas and catfish, but their diet can also include crabs and small snakes. Giant otters are diurnal, meaning they hunt during the day. They are known for their remarkable efficiency and teamwork in hunting. One of the distinctive features of the giant otter is its dentition adapted specifically for grasping slippery prey. Unlike many other otters whose molars are designed for crushing shells, the giant otter's teeth are sharp and pointed, perfect for holding on to fast-moving fish. These otters are very territorial and defend their living areas vigorously against other otter groups. Their territories are marked by latrines, gland secretions, and vocalizations. Giant otters can breed any time of the year, though there is a peak in breeding activity during the dry season. Females give birth to litters of 1 to 5 pups, which are born blind and helpless. The entire family group helps in the upbringing of the young. Their population is threatened by habitat destruction, particularly due to deforestation and water pollution from mining and agricultural activities. They are also at risk from illegal hunting for their pelts, which were highly valued on the international fur market during the 20th century. The Amazonian giant otter is classified as endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Efforts to protect their habitats and enforce anti-poaching laws are critical for their survival. As apex predators, giant otters play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their aquatic ecosystems. They help regulate fish populations and contribute to the health of their watery habitats. In some local cultures, the giant otter is seen as a river guardian and is respected for its role in the folklore and mythology of indigenous peoples in the Amazon. The Amazonian giant otter is not only a keystone species in its habitat, but also an indicator of the overall health of river ecosystems in the Amazon basin. Number 6. Capybara. Number 6 is the capybara, the world's largest rodent. These gentle giants are incredibly social and can often be seen lounging along the riverbanks. Here are some fascinating facts about this unique animal. Capybaras can grow up to 1.2 meters, 4 feet, in length and weigh as much as 65 kilograms, 143 pounds. They have webbed feet and coarse, light brown fur that helps them blend into their marshy surroundings. Capybaras are native to South America. They thrive in various watery environments including rivers, lakes, swamps, marshes, and wetlands across the continent. Capybaras are highly social animals, typically found in groups that can range from 10 to 20 individuals, but some herds can include as many as 100 during the dry season when they gather around available water sources. They are herbivores, primarily grazing on various types of grasses. Capybaras also eat aquatic plants and fruit when available. They have a unique digestive system with a specialized stomach that helps them break down cellulose and extract maximum nutrients from their plant-based diet. Capybaras are excellent swimmers and can remain submerged underwater for up to 5 minutes to hide from predators. They also use water as a refuge from the heat of the day. Being large rodents, they are preyed upon by many top predators in their habitat, including jaguars, anacondas, caimans, and large birds of prey like harpy eagles. Capybaras have a breeding season that is influenced by the rain cycle. Females can give birth to litters of 2 to 8 young after a gestation period of about 150 days. The young are very well developed at birth and can eat grass within a week, although they continue to suckle from their mother until they are about 16 weeks old. Capybaras communicate through a variety of vocalizations and scent markings. They make different sounds to express submission, alarm, or a readiness to mate. As prey animals and grazers, capybaras play a crucial role in the balance of their ecosystems. They help control vegetation and serve as a key food source for predators, maintaining the health and stability of their habitats. While capybaras are hunted for their meat and skin in some regions, they are also becoming popular as exotic pets in others. Additionally, they are often seen as charming and peaceful animals, which has helped promote ecotourism in areas where they are prevalent. The capybara's gentle nature and striking size make it a distinctive and beloved feature of the South American wildlife landscape. Number 5. The jaguar. Halfway through at number 5, the elusive jaguar. The top predator in the Amazon, this big cat is a master of stealth and strength. Here are some compelling facts about this magnificent big cat. Jaguars are the third largest big cats in the world, after tigers and lions, and the largest in the Americas. They have a robust build with a broad head, powerful jaws, and a compact body. Their coat is typically a golden yellow with black rosettes and spots, which helps them camouflage in the jungle. Jaguars predominantly inhabit the dense rainforests of Central and South America. However, their range extends into other types of environments as well, including dry grassland territories and deciduous forests. Jaguars are apex predators, meaning they are at the top of the food chain. Their diet is diverse, including deer, peccaries, capybaras, tapirs, fish, and even caimans. Unlike many other cats, jaguars do not avoid water. They are excellent swimmers. Jaguars kill their prey by delivering a powerful bite directly to the skull, piercing the brain, a technique unique among the big cats. Jaguars are solitary animals. They use large territories that they mark with their waist or by clawing trees. Males have particularly large territories which often overlap with several females' areas, but they generally avoid each other except during mating season. Female jaguars typically give birth to a litter of 2 to 4 cubs after a gestation period of around 100 days. Cubs are born blind and gain sight after about 2 weeks. They stay with their mother for 1 to 2 years before venturing out to establish their own territory. The jaguar has a prominent place in the mythology of numerous indigenous cultures in the Americas, including the Maya and Aztec, where it was seen as a symbol of power and ferocity. Many ancient societies also revered it as a god of the underworld. Jaguars are currently listed as near threatened by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Their populations are declining due to loss of habitat, conflicts with humans, and poaching for their beautiful fur. Jaguars are known for their remarkable ability to climb trees. They often carry their prey up trees to avoid losing it to other predators. As top predators, jaguars help maintain a balanced ecosystem by controlling the population sizes of other animals. This prevents overgrazing of vegetation and supports the diversity of the entire system. There are numerous initiatives aimed at conserving jaguar habitats, promoting coexistence with humans, and establishing wildlife corridors to connect isolated jaguar populations, enhancing genetic diversity and improving their chances of survival. Number 4. The sloth. These slow-moving creatures spend most of their lives in the trees, conserving energy and avoiding predators. Sloths are one of the most intriguing creatures in the animal kingdom, well known for their slow movements and spending most of their lives hanging upside down in the trees of the Central and South American rainforests. Here are some fascinating facts about these laid-back mammals. There are 2 main types of sloths. the two-toed and three-toed sloths. They are part of different families and have distinct physical and behavioral differences despite their similar lifestyles. Sloths are famous for their slow metabolism, which is adapted to their low-energy diet of leaves. This slow metabolism also results in very low movements and body temperatures, which can vary with the temperature of the environment. Sloths spend nearly all their lives in trees. They eat, sleep, mate, and even give birth while hanging in the branches. Their strong, curved claws are perfectly adapted for life in the canopy, allowing them to hold on with minimal effort. Sloths are primarily herbivores, feeding on leaves, fruits, and buds. However, their diet can be somewhat varied depending on their habitat, and they have been known to eat insects and small lizards occasionally. Their notorious slowness is an evolutionary adaptation that helps conserve energy. Moving slowly also makes them less noticeable to predators such as jaguars, eagles, and snakes. Despite their slow movements on land, sloths are surprisingly good swimmers. They sometimes drop down from their tree into water and use their extended arms to propel through water. Sloths have a low reproductive rate, typically giving birth to one baby per year. Baby sloths cling to their mother's fur for several months before becoming more independent, yet may remain close to her for up to 4 years. Sloths have grooved fur that allows algae to grow, giving them a greenish tint that provides excellent camouflage among the trees. Interestingly, the algae not only camouflage sloths but also provide a source of nutrients when they lick their fur. Habitat destruction is a significant threat to sloth populations. While they are not currently considered endangered, their habitat is rapidly diminishing, which could threaten their future. Sloths have captured the public's imagination and become symbols of relaxation and taking life at a slower pace. They are popular in media and have a significant impact on wildlife tourism in their native regions. Number 3. Green Anaconda. Taking the third spot, we encounter the green anaconda, the heaviest snake in the world, known for its incredible size and aquatic lifestyle. Here are some captivating facts about this giant snake. The green anaconda is the heaviest and one of the longest snakes in the world. While reports of sizes vary, they can typically reach lengths of up to 5 meters, 16 feet, with exceptional individuals recorded at over 7 meters, 23 feet. They can weigh over 220 kilograms, 485 pounds, making them true giants of the reptile world. Green anacondas are primarily found in the swampy areas of the Amazon and Orinoco river basins in South America. They thrive in water and are rarely found far from rivers, streams, swamps, and marshes. Anacondas are non-venomous constrictors. They rely on their massive strength to subdue prey, which includes a wide variety of animals such as fish, birds, a variety of mammals, and even caimans. They are ambush predators lying in wait in the murky waters to surprise their prey. Anacondas have a unique reproductive behavior called breeding balls, where several males may coil around a single female in an intense competition to mate. The female then gives birth to live young, which is unusual among snakes. A single litter can consist of 20 to 40 offspring. Green anacondas are excellent swimmers and spend a lot of their time in water, which helps to support their massive size. Water also aids in hunting, as it allows them to approach prey stealthily. These snakes continue to grow throughout their lives, although their growth rate slows significantly as they age. They can live for over 10 years in the wild, and in captivity they may live up to 30 years. Despite their size, green anacondas have few natural predators. Humans, however, pose significant threats through habitat destruction and hunting for their skin. They are also often killed on sight due to fear. The green anaconda has been the subject of many myths and exaggerated stories about their size and danger to humans. While they are certainly capable of attacking a human, such incidents are extremely rare and they generally avoid human interaction. They are not currently listed as endangered, but they face threats from habitat reduction and the illegal pet trade. Conservation efforts are important to ensure their survival, given their role as top predators in their ecosystem. As apex predators, green anacondas play a crucial role in controlling the populations of a variety of prey species, helping to maintain a balanced ecosystem. Number 2. Howler monkey. Howler monkeys are a captivating and vocal presence in the forests of Central and South America. Known for their distinctive calls, they are an essential part of the rainforest ecosystem. Here are some fascinating facts about these remarkable primates. Howler monkeys are famous for their loud howls, which can travel 3 miles through dense forest. This deep and resonant sound is primarily used to mark territory and communicate with other groups, reducing the likelihood of physical confrontations between them. There are about 15 species of howler monkeys, grouped under the genus Alouatta. They vary in size and color, but all share some common features, such as a prehensile tail and a large throat sac, which amplifies their calls. Howler monkeys are one of the largest of the New World monkeys. Males are significantly larger than females and can weigh up to 9 kilograms, 20 pounds. They typically have long, thick fur which can be black, brown, red, or golden. Howler monkeys are primarily folivorous, meaning they eat mostly leaves, along with fruit, flowers, and nuts. Their diet is low in calories, which is why they are relatively inactive and spend a lot of time resting. These monkeys are arboreal, spending most of their lives in the treetops. Their prehensile tails are used as an extra limb, aiding in gripping branches and providing a secure hold while feeding. They live in groups of around 15 to 20 individuals, though larger groups are not uncommon. These groups are usually made up of both males and females, which is somewhat unusual among primates where single-sex groups are more common. Females give birth to a single offspring after a gestation period of about 6 months. Young howlers are dependent on their mothers for about a year, although they start eating solid food at about 3 months. Howler monkeys can live up to 20 years in the wild, though many live shorter lives due to predation. They have a few natural predators, including harpy eagles and jaguars. Some species of howler monkeys are at risk due to habitat destruction and hunting. The loss of forest areas poses the greatest threat by fragmenting their living spaces and reducing food availability. Howler monkeys play a vital role in their habitat by helping to disperse seeds and pollen. As they move through the forest and defecate, they contribute to the regeneration of the forest, supporting a diverse range of plant and animal life. Number 1. Piranha. And at number 1, the Amazon River itself hosts the fearsome piranha, a fish known for its sharp teeth and powerful bite, a true icon of the Amazon's rivers. Piranhas are one of the most infamous fish in the world, often portrayed in popular culture as ferocious predators. Here are some fascinating facts about these misunderstood creatures. There are over 60 species of piranha, varying greatly in size, behavior, and diet. Most species are found in the Amazon River basin, where they play a significant role in the aquatic ecosystem. Piranhas typically range from 15 to 25 centimeters, 6 to 10 inches, in length, although some species can grow up to 50 centimeters, 20 inches. They have a reputation for their sharp, triangular teeth which are visible even when their mouths are closed. Despite their fearsome reputation, piranhas are primarily scavengers, feasting on dead and dying fish, insects, worms, and other aquatic creatures. However, some species are known to be more predatory and can engage in pack hunting behavior. The infamous piranha feeding frenzy, where large numbers of fish feed voraciously on prey, is actually quite rare. These events typically occur only when food is scarce and there are signals of distress in the water, such as blood from an injured animal. Piranhas breed during the rainy season when rivers flood, providing plenty of food and space for the young. Females lay thousands of eggs on riverbed vegetation, which males then fertilize and guard against predators. Piranhas are often found in schools, which is thought to be a defensive mechanism rather than a hunting strategy. Schooling helps protect individual fish from predators, including larger fish and caimans. Attacks on humans are extremely rare, and most reported incidents involve only minor injuries. Piranhas are more dangerous if cornered or caught, as they will bite to defend themselves. In some regions, piranhas are caught for food or for the aquarium trade. They are considered a good source of protein and are often eaten grilled or in stews in South American communities. Most piranha species are not endangered, but they can be vulnerable to changes in their habitat, such as pollution or the effects of overfishing on their food sources. In many parts of South America, piranhas are embedded in local culture, with myths and legends emphasizing their danger or revered as spirits of the water. Piranhas have a complex nature that goes beyond their exaggerated reputation. They are an integral part of their ecosystems, contributing to the nutrient cycle and helping to keep waterways clean of dead organic matter. And there you have it, the top 10 most remarkable animals of the Amazon rainforest. Each one plays a crucial part in the delicate ecosystem of their verdant home. What's your favorite Amazon animal? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into the wild, give us a thumbs up and share this video with fellow nature lovers. Don't forget to subscribe for more incredible wildlife facts and explorations.